Hey guys, so this is my another follow-up video on my GoPro repair. So my GoPro Hero5 Session was not working and it was sent for replacement. I got shipment today, and this was delivered by UPS. So I'm creating unboxing video. I got this free of cost replacement, so I would like to thank you GoPro customer service support for getting me replacement for this. And so let's get started. Let's unbox this and see the surprise. Sorry for that. Okay, so I want to be gentle with this. Let's go ahead. So this is some kind of invoice or blank paper. Nothing is in there, only for safety purpose. Okay, so box inside of box. So that's another box. Let's put this aside. This is another box. Let's open this. And I think this is seal. Okay, so I think I need to cut it from here. Nice packing. So this came from GoPro. So look at the sign, GoPro. This is Hero5 Session, same camera. I was expecting charger and cable as well, but it's only a Hero5 Session camera. Let's do one thing. Let's power it on. So reason why I sent this camera, my earlier camera was not powering on. So let's peel off. Okay, so there's no battery. I'm surprised. Let's see what's in the inside box. So I'm just keeping it here. So what else is there? That's it. So no charger, nothing else. It's only empty box, no mount, nothing. Empty box with the GoPro. And I did send empty only GoPro, so I was not expecting. Looking at the serial number, I hope this is new one and not refurbished. So I don't want to capture my serial number to you, so I'm not focusing on that. Okay, this looks new, so I will pause my video and I will upload one more video to check if it's recording well and all. So, and I will also share the review. I would like you to thank you for watching, and before going or before stopping recording, I want you to please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.